Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll show you how to create an AI animated video using ChatGPT and AI. So let us start. So first of all, in order to show you how you can create animated video from scratch using ChatGPT, I'll show you some demo. See, this is one demo which I have created.
जंगल की गहराइयों में बिछे अंधकार ने उसे दहशत में डाल दिया था, लेकिन उसका साहस और निरंतरता उसे हर कदम पर आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रेरित कर रहा था।
This is an AI animated video of approximately 3 minutes, and this is completely generated through AI using ChatGPT and different AI tools. So now let me take you through some Google, and this is YouTube. I have searched one query called how to create AI video, and it has shown me some various outputs. So in this case, you can see this is one video, and it has made this AI videos of roughly 5 minutes, and I will see like how much it is earning. Second thing, this is also one AI animated video. This is also AI animated video. How to create animated cartoon videos using AI and ChatGPT. So I will also open up these videos. These are showing how to create these videos, and they are also earning money. So I will show you how much this kind of channels are also earning money. So here I have installed the social blade network. Okay, this is not the case. I need to open up in Google. So I will open up in Google. So this is Google Chrome. This is my Google Chrome, and I will open the same video here because that extension social blade will work only in Google Chrome. So let us wait for a while. So the purpose is to make you aware the realistic money people are making.
AI.
Okay, so I honor the ad. I don't use ad blocker. So the video maker of this YouTube channel, they will earn a decent amount of money. This is one newly generated channel called Tutor Bro, and this video he has generated before 3 months, and it has roughly 250,000 views. Now we will see how much this guy earned from this video. Okay, so this is the social blade extension which I am using, and it will show me. See, this is showing like this channel alone is earning roughly $19 to $300 per month. Believe me, if it is in between $90 to $300, then it must be earning more than $400, because the social blade is highly optimistic. That means if you are earning $100, then this social blade will show you are earning $50 to $60. So this channel is earning more than $500 according to my statistics. Yeah, so this is the earning point of view. And now this is like the animated videos how you can create. So I will now directly jump to the first point. I will open up my ChatGPT. Before that, I will tell you which tools we are going to use. So first of all, we are going to use ChatGPT. Then second tool we are going is 11 Labs. So let me take you that tools. So this is 11 Labs. So basically its purpose is to generate the high quality audio from the text. Okay, so from ChatGPT we will create the script, and okay, this is a ChatGPT. We'll create the script from this ChatGPT. Then we will use 11 Labs for audio. Then next is a very important tool that is called Layapix. This is very useful website which is used to convert the photo into your animated videos. And next thing is we will use some websites to create text to photo. So total we will use 4 tools, and finally we will edit in CapCut, which is a free of cost. Alright, so let us start from first one. So this is the ChatGPT website, and I have put the high dimension. I have zoom in so you can read it easily. I have put some sample prompt like imagine that you are the expert storyteller with 20 years of experience, and subject I have given is the love story, drama, comedy, thrilling, seductive, romantic, horror. And I have given the instruction that please create a 500 words of horror story of 18-year-old girl who is lost in the deep Amazon forest, and make a final and a summary. So this is a simple prompt I have given it, and it has written me the beautiful story. Now for the simplicity, I have converted it into the Hindi. So this is the Hindi story, which is an exact translation of this English story, and so I prepared the story. So now story is ready with you. Now what you will need to convert it into the audio. So for that case, you need to go to the 11labs.io.speechsynthesis com. And once you go to this website, you need to just copy paste here, and make sure you just change the sounds as per your convenience here. And here in multilingual option, you can choose any language which you want. I have made it for Hindi, so I will choose Hindi. Next, once you put it there, it will give you some 10,000 character as a free. And you can also quote those videos. You can quote the support of 11labs.io in your YouTube channel to avoid any copyright issues. So two tasks we have done is, one is ChatGPT script, second is audio. Now third thing is text to speech. Okay, so I have put it a Hindi script over here. You can use a English script as well, and for that case you can use more than 2 to 3 tools. So first of all, I will tell you the free tools. So free tools are Leonardo AI. So Leonardo AI is a beautiful tool that will give you the 150 credits per month, and it is absolutely free. And you can just copy paste the first all the paras. Just say for example this one, and paste it here. Okay, so it will generate the images and it will give the images, and copy this all images. So this all images generation source I have told you. First is Leonardo AI, second is ideogram. So ideogram is also same. You need to log in through Google, and you need to give the prompt in the top notch bar, and it will give you the different images. Alright, so these are the two tools. Third tool is a Midjourney. So I have used the Midjourney to create this video, and it provides a stunning website and stunning images. However, it is a paid, so if you are serious about the image, I definitely recommend a Midjourney. The reason is the image quality is pretty high. So these are the three sorts of images you can generate it. So make sure to generate some 20 to 25 images. So once it is done, you need to go to Leapix. This is the name of this website, leapix.com. So once you open up and create your account, it will give you the 500 credits. So 500 credits like high quality 500 credits. And if you want to generate your MP4 video in 720p, then it is of course free. Now what you need to do in this Layup Pro, for example, I will show you the images which I have generated. So in this case, I will open up my images folder. Where is my image folder? Video folder. Okay, yeah. So these are the images which I have generated through Midjourney. You can generate from different free options which I share it with you. So once you generate these all images, you need to take it to this Leapix. So let me go to the Leapix and click on this upload. Say for example, I click on this upload, and I will upload any random images. Say for example, I upload this random images. Okay, so it will take some time, approximately 10 to 15 seconds. Once it is uploaded, you can feel the animation effect. Yeah, so this is the animation effect, and there are the different parameters as well. Here the animation styles are given: vertical, tail, swing, wide circle kind of thing. So as per your convenience, you can put it there. And it is the animation length, like 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 5 seconds. So put it along, so it will show you the 5 seconds. And then yeah, these are the just few user-friendly tools. Once it is done, you need to put it export mode and save it. So this is like the photo. It has converted it into the video. Now make sure here it is showing MP4 original size. You don't need to keep it there. Put it MP4 limited to 720p. So that is also fine. So that would be a slight difference, but it is fine since it as far as it is free. So I will save it here and it will be downloaded here. So likewise, if you would have generated some 20 to 25 picture. So convert these all 20 to 25 picture in video. It will take maybe half an hour or so, but it will be completely free, and it will be a unique content in your basket. So that's the thing. And once you are ready, I will take you through this downloaded videos which I have downloaded from this Leapix. Simply I converted a picture into the videos. So these are the pictures which got converted into videos. Now final thing is you need to edit these all videos. Okay, so what I will do, I will open up the CapCut. CapCut is a free video editing tool, and you can download it and install it. So the first and foremost thing is I will import this audio. This is 11labs audio. You can go to the import option over here, import, and select the relevant footage, videos which you downloaded, and audio file. Okay, so once you import it, you need to go to this editing panel. So here you can import it from usually simple method. So once you put it in this editing area, what you need to do, you need to select. First of all, say for example, this is the audio. I will simply okay, I will remove these all things for the convenience sake, and I will try to create a new one. So let us wait for a while. Yeah, so okay, so everything is clear. Now what I will do, I will import first audio. Okay, so this is the 11 labs audio. I will double click on it, so it will be redirected into this editing pane. So I need to only click one. I did 3 times. Okay, then next thing is, now you need to import these all videos. Okay, so what you can do, just select Control A. Okay, Control A is not working, so just hit Control and select. So by this method you can select all this 5 milliseconds videos which were earlier photos, and you just need to compile in a sequential order. I can see that my video length is approximately 3 minutes, so if it is something repeating or so, I will put it that, otherwise that is fine. So everything I have selected, I will drag and drop here. Okay, so you can see it will come here. It has come about this audio, sorry. So now I will try to run anywhere.
वह समझ गई थी कि राजमहल में छिपी रहस्यमयी शक्तियों का सिर्फ एक ही समाधान है.
Now I will show you how it looks like. So I will zoom in and will try to run it.
इशिता ने रात के अंत में उस राजमहल का रहस्यमयी समाधान खोज लिया.
So you can see this is completely the new experience, and it is quite useful. So since these all are I think final, some couple of seconds are missing over that, I will not create any new one. I'll just randomly repeat the same stocks, so it will fulfill my 3 minutes cycle. Correct. So now my 3 minute cycle is done, and I can now do some bit of editing. Now say for example, if you want to add some text or something, you can go to this third option called text, and in the text you can click on default text. So default text will be open up. I only need one, so I will only select one, and I will extend till the length of this video. Now this default one I can also edit from this edit text box. Say for example, horror story of girl in forest. So this is a simple notation I have given it. Now I will change the font size and font different type of font as well. So for example, I will try different font, how it looks like, and I will set the best one. Say for example, constraint bold, I put it there, and I will just adjust the size. Once the size is done, I will put it bold. Then I will go down, and preset style is very important. So if you change the preset style, it will give the very stunning look. So now my video looks like it is professional editing. Okay, see, this seems like professional editing. Now if you want to edit this audio volume, you can also click on this audio and increase this volume. I suggest you to take it put it up to 11 or 12. Now next thing is, it is also good if you add the background music, because people like to listen the passive listening like a video or some music or something. So for that purpose, I have also imported free YouTube music. This is like the one background music of video, and I will drag it to the length of this video, and I will keep the volume of this music below some standard norms, so I can listen the audio more rigorously. So I'm just reducing the decimal level of music. So let me again confirm. Yeah, now I will listen the audio how it looks like.
पढ़ने के लिए प्रेरित कर रही थी. वह थका हुआ था, लेकिन उसकी आंखों में नई रोशनी थी.
Great. So it seems like it's a photorealistic videos, and now finally I will export these videos. Okay. So I will export. I will click on this export, and I will give some names, and I will export these videos. So once I export this video, it will be ready. You can change the video resolution here as well. I have put it 4K for the high resolution. You can put it on 1080p as well. Once it is done, you can just hit the next, and ready, your video is ready. So I think I have created a full end-to-end workflow how to create the videos for YouTube videos, and you can use the ChatGPT, CapCut, then AI image generators, Leonardo, then 11 Labs. So by using this all tools, you can keep your resources ready, and finally you can edit all your videos in CapCut. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.